then as the first man readies himself. Neymar first in line. And he's found the net.
Yeah, made his mind up very quickly and just didn't waver.
No, it's saved.
Well, that's great concentration from the keeper and a wonderful save.
This double there.
Brilliantly to keep his eye on the ball and make such a great save.
Just to put him up. And he's put them two in front.
Will take the third penalty.
Oh, he saved it.
He's so focused there. Fantastic save.
Ronaldinho just needs to keep it.